Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to unlink your Instagram account from TikTok. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime, and I have a link to a 30-day free trial in my video description. Just go to my video description and click on the free trial link, and you can go ahead and try that 30-day free trial. And I'll go over all these details once I've shown you the instructions on how to link your Instagram account unlink your Instagram account from TikTok. Let's begin. To unlink your Instagram account from TikTok, first just open up the app, log in into it. Once you have logged in, look on the bottom right hand corner over here. You see this person icon, click on that. Once here, then this is your profile page. When you're here, you see over here where it says edit profile in pink, click on that. And you can see this is where you have linked your Instagram account. To unlink it, just click anywhere around this area, around your Instagram username. And this menu will appear on the bottom where it says unlink. Click on unlink. And then make sure you go on the upper right hand corner and click on where it says save. There you go. That's how you can unlink your Instagram account. As you can see, it has disappeared. And like I said, to go over more details on the Amazon Prime offer, you get unlimited ad-free access to over 1 million songs for just $99 per year. In addition to other other Prime benefits, you can instantly stream over 40,000 movies and TV episodes, borrow books from the Kindle Owners Lending Library, and my absolutely favorite one is get unlimited free 2-day shipping with no minimum order size. I have a 30-day free trial in my video description. So if you want to try the Amazon Prime Music benefit for 30 days with no commitment, click in my video description and you'll find the 30 days free trials. Thank you for watching and make sure you give Amazon Prime a try.